I'm going to my kid. Stop snatching me. Why are you snatching me?
Calm down.
I'm going to my kid. I don't go. I didn't even stop.
Calm down.
Let it go. No.
I got my kid. She wasn't calm down. I know. Calm down. Keisha, we're gonna be okay. Stop. We're gonna be okay. I know. It's gonna be okay. I gotta get some sleep. You holding me.
May 5th, 2025. An airport gate, pre-boarding area. A woman and her group get flagged by airline staff for a verbal dispute. Law enforcement is called not to investigate a crime, but to enforce a removal order. Here's what I keep coming back to. At what exact second does demanding an explanation stop being your right and start being a criminal act?
City, what do you got? They called me for Alpha 1.
We didn't call.
Maybe go.
Maybe it was
Maybe it was ops.
You guys?
Maybe it was ops.
All right. Sorry. You called?
Yeah.
What happened?
1 second. Come listen. Okay, so we got a bunch of young ladies on the side here. They're boarding pre-board, and I told them you can't take them down. She's using obscene language. She's still cursing back and forth, and then she's gonna write an email. She take pictures. So you need to talk to the one.
Are they flying?
Yeah.
Are they still flying?
The one in the gray shirt.
Okay, why is she still flying if she's getting
Exactly. So I want her off.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. You got her name? You got everything you need? All right. Okay, you understand you're not flying, right? You.
She didn't say me.
Okay, yeah. She's telling you right now.
Oh, these two what?
She's removing you from the
How
flight.
you remove me from the flight when she was on her phone?
I asked her name because
She was on the phone.
She jumped over here. My conversation.
She was on the phone.
She jumped over here.
Wait. No, hold on. But you're like jumping up all over.
I'm not nothing happened. You wasn't talking to her.
I'm gonna tell you something. She probably take you off too if you jump in.
But nobody was talking to her. So how we off the plane if nobody talked
But
to
she
her?
already said they're
She
not
was yelling
flying,
at
no
her,
matter what
and
you
then I told her
say.
that she wasn't talking to her.
But don't be the third, because she'll remove
No, it
you.
ain't no third because there ain't no way I'm not getting on this flight and my child in airport.
But I'm
So
just
who do I
telling
need
you.
to talk to? Ain't no way I'm not getting on this flight and my child in airport.
There's nothing.
Because all I told her that she was talking on the phone.
Like I said, I was over here on my
No,
phone.
because I didn't say nothing, but she was on the phone, so that doesn't make sense. I ain't gonna say somebody can't fly because she's talking on the phone to somebody else. When nobody talking to her.
Exactly. Y'all can run the cameras back.
Okay,
I would say
it doesn't matter.
I want to talk to
They
her
already
because
said
it's
it.
not okay.
Are you supervisor? There you go. To supervisor.
Somebody over her because I never say anything to
Guys,
her.
I'm gonna tell you right now.
If I never say anything to her, I never say anything to her, so I can be put off for saying something to her. I never said, okay, and I said nothing to her. I said nothing to her. I was over here in my phone with my earpiece on. She jumped over here. I said, I'm on my phone.
You probably can get rescheduled.
Nobody would just
You're gonna end up getting arrested for trespassing.
What did I say wrong to you?
I didn't do anything.
What did I say wrong to you?
Now she took you off the plane, and I'm telling you, you're not flying.
What did I say wrong to you is the question. Answer what did I say wrong to her? Because all I told her that she was on the phone. She thought she was talking to her and I said she's on the phone.
She said you
She got mad because I asked for her name. Yes, I want her name.
I'll give you the name. Come on, let's go, guys. Guys, excuse me. We gotta walk out of this right now. No? You say no because I'm about to arrest you for trespassing.
I'm not trespassing.
Because I'm telling you, you're not flying.
I didn't say anything to her.
We need
So
to
how
go
am I not
up.
flying?
We need to go up to the counter.
No, man, no. Y'all can go get some more security. That don't make sense. Nobody
Lady,
said
I'm
nothing to
not
her.
security, but you're not flying. But you're not flying.
Because I have a lot going on.
Let's go, guys.
You haven't gave a reason.
Let's go.
No, you haven't gave a reason. I wrote it. All I told her, she wasn't talking to her. I didn't even say nothing to her. So there's no reason for me to be out of the flight.
B1 to 30?
That's crazy.
Numerical order.
That's crazy. Because I said she want to talk to you. I can't fly.
And the
That doesn't make
I
sense.
wasn't talking to you.
Guys, I just want you to know that I'm not saying it again.
Reason.
You are.
You have to give me a reason
Because
why.
I'm not getting up to your level,
You
but
have
I
to
am.
give me a reason.
I already.
Because I didn't do nothing to her.
But I already told you.
I'm
let's
upset
leave.
because I didn't do nothing
But you're
to
telling
her.
me it's okay, and I'm telling you you're gonna go
But
to
I
jail.
didn't do nothing to her. So what is the?
So
never
she
said what
said
the problem
no,
was.
because you're causing a disturbance, and she said you can't fly.
It's disturbing now because you're telling me I can't go home. It's
I'm trying to make it easy for you, so I'm trying to tell you, let's walk out of here. Let's just walk out of here, because I'm telling you you're going to jail.
How am I going to jail? I ain't even did nothing.
Oh, because you're still standing here.
Where the hell am I supposed to go? You're not directing
We're
me nowhere.
leaving out of
You
this
have not started
area.
walking.
Let's go. We're going to the
You have to
counter.
start walking.
Because I'm waiting for you to turn
I'm
around
right
and
here,
go.
baby. I'm ready.
Sweetie, let's go, because I'm not having you walk behind me. We're going
That's
up to the
fine.
counter. Okay. Let's go, sweetie. She's gone. I'm going to give her like 20, like too many. Come on. Give your friend your bag. Come on.
Charlie, what the don't make no sense? I hold a whole wheelchair
Go ahead.
and she
Keep
still
going.
need help.
Keep going.
That don't make no damn sense. Don't make no sense. Y'all finna make me y'all play for what though? Y'all didn't even explain to why I can't ride. Because she said something to her.
Yeah,
She
but
never
that's
said
something
something
with
to
customer
me.
service. Once I tell you you gotta go, you gotta
But
go.
she never
and
said
that's
nothing
it.
to me. So that's why I'm not
I
understanding.
told you. I told you plenty of times over there that you're not flying. And
I
let's go to
understand
the
that, but you
counter.
never said why.
So why are we still here?
Because you never said why. Why don't nobody say why?
Disturbance and she said you're not flying.
But nobody said
But we
why.
keep
She
going
never
around
said
in
nothing to
circle.
me.
Let's go.
Exactly. Find out why, because I never said nothing
It
to her.
doesn't matter.
It does.
You're
It
not flying
It
no
does
matter
matter.
what.
You're not going to say it doesn't matter.
Okay, well,
It does matter.
Okay, well, he's going to find out why, because she never
care.
said it to me.
You just went with what she said. You don't care. That's your point. That's your problem.
No, but that's something that you can take care of
No,
over there at
okay.
the time.
You should have said all of that when you were standing right here. You just say, let's go.
Stop looking at your phone and turn around and walk away. Let's go.
Come on, y'all got to lead the way because we don't know where we're going.
That's the exit right there. Start walking in that direction. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going.
Pedophile.
That's
Pedophile.
stupid as fuck. This shit is stupid as fuck.
Go left.
Pedophile. Pedophile.
Now, this shit stupid because somebody said nobody talking to her. This shit is stupid as fuck. I gotta get on to my motherfucking head. Hey, you a
Not there.
This is a case study in three things colliding: Federal Airline Removal Authority, First and Fourth Amendment protections, and the use of force standard under Graham versus Connor. Under 14 Code of Federal Regulations, airlines hold broad authority to deny transport to any passenger deemed a safety or operational risk. No crime required, no warning required. That's the law, and most people don't know it until it's too late. Here's where it gets legally interesting. The moment law enforcement steps in, the constitutional framework shifts. We're no longer in airline policy territory. We're in Fourth Amendment territory. The officer's job is now governed by Terry versus Ohio, 392 United States, 1968, which requires that any detention be based on reasonable, articulable suspicion. Removing someone from a gate is not an arrest until it becomes one. Now, under City of Houston versus Hill, 482 United States 451, the Supreme Court was crystal clear. A citizen's verbal challenge to police authority is protected First Amendment speech. You can argue, you can demand to know why. That's not obstruction. Human thinking says she had every right to push back verbally. The counter-argument is where most people miss it, that right is not unlimited in time or volume. Trespass in a commercial airport terminal requires 3 elements under state law. First, the property authority must have a lawful right to request removal. Second, the subject must receive a clear, unambiguous order to leave. Third, the subject must refuse or fail to comply within a reasonable time. The recording documents all 3 materializing over approximately 6 minutes. That's the trespass clock. And once it runs, the legal calculus changes completely. The officer stated the reason, disturbance, but only after repeated demands. Human thinking says she deserved that answer at minute 1, not minute 4. Here's the counter-argument under the law. Officers are not constitutionally required to explain a removal before enforcing it once a lawful order is issued. But, and this matters for civil liability, a subject who understands why she's leaving is statistically less likely to resist. That gap in communication is a real tactical failure. When physical contact begins, Graham versus Connor, 490 United States. 386, 1989, is the only standard that matters. 3 factors: severity of the underlying offense, immediate threat level, and active resistance. The offense here is trespass, a non-violent misdemeanor. No weapon, no threat to third parties. The force applied must match that context exactly. Anything beyond that is a constitutional problem. The subject discloses her child has sickle cell disease during physical restraint. Legally, officers are not required to pause a lawful arrest for a verbal medical claim about an absent third party. That's the hard truth. But that disclosure, made under physical stress, becomes documented evidence in any future civil proceeding, evaluating her emotional and physical state at the moment force was applied. Courts pay attention to that kind of detail. The officer was patient early, multiple clear directives before any physical contact. But the explanation gap, 4 to 6 minutes of "you're not flying" with no reason given, was a procedural failure that directly fed the escalation. Under City of Houston versus Hill, you cannot punish someone for demanding an explanation. But you can, and here did, let that demand go unanswered long enough to turn a manageable removal into an arrest. The subject's initial demand was legally grounded, constitutionally protected, and understandable. Traveling with a medically vulnerable child adds real human weight to her reaction. But sustained non-compliance over 6 minutes, combined with physical resistance during handcuffing, crossed the line from protected speech into conduct that built the legal predicate for 2 separate charges: trespass and resisting arrest. Her choices, however emotionally driven, worsened a situation that was still fixable at minute 2.
Over here!
Hold on.
Stop snatching me! Why are you snatching me?
Calm down.
I didn't even stop.
Calm down.
Let it go. No, back up. Okay.
She wasn't calm down. I know, calm down. Keisha, we're gonna be okay. Stop. We're gonna be okay. I know. It's gonna be okay. I gotta get some sleep. You holding me tonight.
Stop.
I am. She just showed my. Keisha, look at me. Calm down. Look at me. Look at me. We're gonna be okay. Calm down.
She gotta go.
Step out the doors.
She's getting arrested.
Come on.
Step out.
Why is she getting arrested?
Because I already told her that.
Man, no, you did not, man.
Sweetie, come here. You're pedophile. Excuse me.
What are you
Turn around.
doing?
Put your hand behind your back. I'm telling you
You just
again.
said I'm okay.
No, you're not. You're going to
just said
jail. I
that.
already told you.
What are you talking about?
I already told you. You're
I
going to jail.
just came through the acid.
I told you.
No, I just came through the acid.
Turn around.
Please. You just said acid. I'm accident.
No.
I am.
I told you to leave a long time.
No, you didn't. I'm not resisting. You just said acid. We just. I didn't even say nothing.
All right.
I didn't even just say nothing.
If you don't want additional charges,
I didn't even say nothing, baby. I didn't say nothing.
turn around.
I didn't say nothing. Y'all just said
Turn
acid.
around.
Oh my God, baby, you just said
Listen,
acid.
you're going to get more charges.
All right, stop.
Will you please?
Quiet.
Please don't arrest me.
Just stop resisting.
Please don't arrest me.
Just stop resisting.
I'm not. You just let me exit out there. I was going out the exit door.
No,
You
not
just.
it's not because you yelled, but because I told you like 20 times.
Okay, but you still let me go, though.
No, I didn't
Yes,
let
you
you go. I
did.
told you you
I
were
just
going
came
to
through the
jail.
exit
I said
door.
you were going to
I'm upset, baby. My baby had sickle cell. I'm
Keisha.
trying
I understand
to
that.
Stop.
This is crazy. This is not
Stop
even me arguing
talking.
with people.
Stop talking.
They don't understand what you're doing.
Stop talking. Where is your identification?
She picked it up.
No, I did not. I picked up my passport.
Sweetie, I got one. Don't make it 2, because you will go 2.
Because I'm telling you, it's
No,
not
because
real.
I told you back there also to leave, and you were still there.
Man,
Taking your stuff.
Man, I need to call somebody.
You can't call nobody.
Yes, I can. Why? I need to call somebody. I don't have anybody's number.
Are you taking her stuff?
I need to call someone. I need to call
Is
someone.
your friend taking
I need
your
to call. Of course. I mean, I don't have no choice.
Keisha, listen to me.
I need to call somebody.
Listen to me. Your friend's gonna take all your personal. Okay? Come on. Okay? Look, you're just making it worse. Stop doing that.
Because it hurts, so I'm pulling it up. So
Stop.
it hurts. It hurts. So I'm pulling it up. So it hurts.
I'm gonna take a person.
I'm getting locked up. Come in.
Go in.
14 ENT.
Go in.
You can touch me. You can touch me. Okay, well, you can touch me. I don't want her to touch me. I don't want her to touch me.
She's taking you to jail.
I'm the one taking
you. You don't have to touch me. Can you get your hand up? No, because you choked me and everything. You was holding me tight. Do not touch me. Yes, you did. Don't touch me.
Did not touch
Man, stop. Can you please?
Can you just stop?
No, because she just choked me and stuff. No, I have a problem with it.
Let's go.
Come on.
Man.
She's the arresting officer. You're going to jail with her.
That's,
Let me pat her down right here. Calm down, because you got to get patted down.
Come on.
Stay right here. No, stop. I'm telling you.
Stop swinging around. You're making things worse.
If you bring that attitude in jail, I'm going to tell you right now, it ain't going to go too nice for you.
Lesson 1. Federal Airline Authority is broader than most passengers realize. Under 14 Code of Federal Regulations, an airline can remove you pre-boarding without a criminal act, without a court order, and without detailed explanation. If you're removed, the smartest move legally is to comply first, dispute later, in writing. Fighting it at the gate does not protect your rights. It forfeits them. Lesson 2. You have a First Amendment right to argue with law enforcement. City of Houston versus Hill protects that. But that right has a time limit in practice because every minute you remain after a clear removal order adds to the trespass clock. Knowing your rights means knowing when asserting them is tactically costing you more than it's protecting. Lesson 3. Graham versus Connor cuts both ways. Officers are held to objective reasonableness, but so is the force you use to resist. Any physical resistance during an arrest, however justified you feel, can result in additional charges that survive even if the original arrest is later challenged. The courtroom is the place to fight an unlawful arrest. The gate is not. I've seen a lot of these airport removal cases. Most of them follow the same arc. A civil dispute, a regulatory decision, a communication failure, and then 6 minutes that didn't have to go this way. The Constitution doesn't enforce itself. That's exactly what cases like this one are for. Thanks for watching.